cumbia step. So it goes 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha. Now in salsa you have your turns, your left turn, your right turn. So that's the normal basic turns that you are generally used to in doing in salsa. So I'll just show you the basics of the salsa turns, and the same turns we'll incorporate into a cha cha cha. So the basic salsa turn is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. The lady turns at 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I'm going to do the same turn in the cha cha cha, it's very simple. I'll use the same thing on your 3 and 7, on my 3 and 7, and my partner also will incorporate it. So it goes this way: 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, cha cha cha, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 5, 6, and cha cha cha. So the other turn that is very commonly used in salsa is your left turn. So the left turn can be done in your salsa steps this way. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I'll lead my partner towards the left, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The cha 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 would go 1, 2, cha.